Hello students, we are continuing the chapter determinants from SND. Okay, class 12. Now, today I will start from sum number 34. Again it is solved. The determinant 3x minus 8, 3, first row, second row 3x minus 8, 3, and the third row 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is given to us, we have to find the value of x. Now, which implies we will apply the operation for second column C2 dashed equals to C2 minus C3. Then what we will get? 3x minus 8, 0, 3, 3x minus 11, 3 minus 3x plus 11 plus 3, then 3x minus 8. Only the second column operated and the first column and the third column remains same. Now next operation will be given on first column. So C1 dashed equals to C1 minus C3. What we will do? 3x minus 11, 0 minus 3x plus 11, then 0, 3x minus 11 minus 3x plus 11, 3x minus 8. Okay. Next operation will be given on third row. So R3 dashed is equal to R3 plus R1. What we will do? That means first row will remain same. So 3x, 0, 3. Second row also will remain same, so it will be 0, 3x minus 11, 3. And third row, we have to R3 plus R1, that is minus 3x plus 11 plus 3x minus 11. So that is coming 0. And it will be automatically, it will be minus 3x plus 11, and this will be 3x minus 5. Why? Because 3 plus 3x minus 8 plus 3x 3x and 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Okay. Next operation will be given on second row. So R2 dashed equals to R2 minus R1. What we will do? 3x minus 11, 0, 3. First row will remain same. Only the second row will be operated. So minus 3x plus 11, 3x minus 11 and 0 here. 0 minus 3x plus 11, 3x minus 5. Okay. Now we have to expand these terms. Let us expand this, which implies, let us expand. So it will be 3x minus 11 with respect to the first row. So 3x minus 11, then 3x minus 11 into 3x minus 5 minus 3x minus 11 minus 3x plus 11 into 0. Okay. So let us do it. 3x minus 11 into 3x minus 5. That part will be 0. Next part, so it will be next minus 0 into this, that part will be again 0, then plus 3 into this, minus 3x plus 11 into minus 3x plus 11 minus 0. So we will write plus 3 into minus 3x plus 11 into minus 3x plus 11. Okay, which is equal to 0. Just do this explanation, this calculation part. From here what we will get, let's do the calculation part. Here we will get 3x minus 11 whole square is equal to 0, or we will get 3x minus 2 equal to 0. From here we can find x is equal to 11 by 3, and again x is equal to 11 by 3. Okay, and from here we will get x is equal to 2/3. So these are the values of x. These are the values of x. Now let us do some number. If you want, you can copy this from the board. Next sum number 37. Sum number 37. Let me rub the board. We are doing all the sums from SN determinants. Next, sum number 37. What is written? If x and y are real and x plus iy is equal to determinant 6i minus 3i 1, 4 3i minus 1, 23i given, find x and y. Okay, now x plus y already is given here, just I am doing the solution from here only. X plus iy is equal to, doing directly here, iy is equal to, we will give the operation C1 dashed equals to C1 plus C2. So C1 plus C2 means 6i minus 3i, so it will be plus 3i, and 4 plus 3i, next 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay, and others will remain same, so it will be minus 3i, it is 3i, it is 3, and this is 1 minus 1i. Got it? Next we will give the operation on row. So it will be R1 dashed is equal to R1 plus R2. So it will be 4 plus 7i 0 0, 4 plus 3i 3i minus 1, 23 3i. Okay, now again we will just expand this with respect to the first row. Then what we will get? We will get 4 plus 7i, 4 plus 7i into 3i into I, that is 3i square, minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So it is coming minus of minus 3. Then what we will get? 4 plus 7i, 3i square means minus 1. We know the complex number, I square means minus 1. So it is coming minus 3 and minus minus plus. So it is coming 0 only. Okay, the whole thing, then it will be 0. Then what we will get? X plus iy is equal to 0 plus I into 0. Okay, so what is x, what is y? Therefore we can write x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Copy the sum from the board. If you want, you can copy the sum from the board. Next we will do sum number 39. It's very important sum. Okay, I think all of you have already copied from the board. Next, sum number 39. What is there? 39. Show that x is equal to 2 is a root of the equation x minus 6 minus 1, 2 minus 3x, x minus 3, minus 3, 2x, 2 plus x is equal to 0. From here we have to show that x is equal to, 2 is a root of this equation. Same as before, just we will give some operations. R1 dashed equals to R2 minus R3. Then what we will get? X minus 6 minus 1, 5 minus 5x, 5 minus 5, minus 3, 2x, 2 plus x, which implies x minus 6 minus 1, 1 minus x, minus 1, 5 is taken out. Then since the right side it is already 0, so automatically it will be 0. And it will be minus 3, 2x, 2 plus x. Okay, which implies x minus 1, minus 6, minus 1. Okay, then 0, minus x, minus 1. X minus 1, 2x, 2 plus x. Why? This is equal, what is the operation given here? C1 dashed equals to C1 plus C3. Okay. Next operation we will give on row. So no space is there, so let me write very short form. So R3 dashed equals to R3 minus R1. So what we will write? So first row will remain same. So what we will write? X minus 1 minus 6 minus 1. And the second row will be 0 minus 6 minus 1. Okay, because first row and second row no change, only third row will be changed. So it will be 0 2x plus 6 and it is 3 plus x. Place is very short. Okay, 3 plus x. Now we will expand same as before, just expand. X minus 1 and it will be minus x into 3 plus x minus of minus 1 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. Just do this calculation part. This much you can do on your own. One part we will get x minus 1 equal to 0, and from here this side, that means in the bracket we will get x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. From this expansion we will get x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we will get x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. So what are the roots we get? We get x equal to 1 from here, x equal to 1, x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 3. So x equal to 2 is a root of the equation, of this equation. This is proved now. Okay, I think everything is, all of you have already understood. Let me rub the board. Written? Okay. Thank you. Okay, now the last sum for this exercise, only from this book only. This is actually not the last one. This is sum number 21. It is very important sum and it is not done previously. So let me do it right now. Show that the determinant is a perfect square. What is the determinant? 1a square. A square 1a, a square 1. We have to show that this is a perfect determinant. How to show the determinant as a perfect square? Okay, so let us change the first column. So what we will write? C1 plus C2 plus C3. Just write 1 plus a square. It's coming a square plus 1 plus a plus a square plus 1. And the other two columns will remain same. So a1 a square, a1. Okay. Now as the first column already all the elements are same, so we can take all the elements outside as a common factor. So 1 plus a square can be taken out and 1 1 1 the first column, then second column a1 a square, the third column a square a1. Okay, which implies 1 plus a square. And now operation given. What is the operation? Second row R2 dashed equals to R2 minus R1 and R3 dashed, let us do as R3 minus R2. Then what we will get? 1 a square, 0 1 minus a minus a square, and 0 a square minus 1 1 minus a. Okay, now we will just expand this. Afterwards we will expand obviously. So 1 plus a square, and in the bracket 1 a square, not in the determinant, not the bracket, 0 1 minus a into 1 minus a, to 1 minus a, and here it is 0 a plus 1 into a minus 1, here 1 minus a. Complete the determinant. Space is very Okay, now I think you can see the board. Okay, now 1 minus a from the second row and 1 minus a from the third row, we can take it outside the determinant. Then what we will get? 1 plus a square, and 1 minus a from the second row and 1 minus a from the second row. Since it is a minus 1, so here we will just take 1 minus a and it will be minus of a plus 1. So then what we will write? 1 minus a into 1 minus, and the determinant will be 1a square, 0 as 1 minus a taken out, 1 minus a taken out, this is a, 0 as 1 minus a taken out, this is a minus 1, so automatically this part will be minus of a plus 1, and it is 1. Okay, now we will expand with respect to first column. We will expand, the expansion will be done with respect to the first column. As first column is 1 0 0, so it will be easier for us. So it will be 1 minus a square as 1 minus a into 1 minus a, and it will be 1 plus a square into 1 plus a into a plus 1. Expanded with respect to the first column. Expanded with respect to the first column. Then what we will get? 1 minus a whole square to 1 plus a square into 1 plus a square here also, so make it square. Okay, which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square. So determinant is a perfect square. This is proved now. I think all of you have understood now. Now this chapter is completed. Next we will come with the next video and with the next chapter. Thank you very much.